Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your ball trader next door. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So here is our 4 hours chart of gold USD in front of us. And as you can see, that gold closed at 1802 level. This is the last traded price of gold. So if you have watched my previous videos, then you can see that overall there is not a big change on the overall structure on the chart of gold. Okay, so after forming the low of 1860, okay, we can see that after that there was a complete uptrend on the chart of gold. Overall there may be some pressure, but as of now we can see that market is an uptrend right now. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter also, then we can see that 60% retail traders are on the sell side and around 39% are on the buy side. And as we all know, the market usually move against the sentiment meter. So overall we can consider that yes, there is further upside on the chart of gold. Okay, so let's have a look at the important levels for Monday. So we can easily see the market is in uptrend and market is constantly forming higher highs in the market. Okay, so though we can see that we also have a wedge kind of a pattern, but see, to have a breakout towards the downside, I think that this pattern needs a more squeeze in the market. Okay, if the market squeezes more in the future, in the coming week, then we may see a further downside on the chart of gold. But as of now, there is still room left. अभी तक थोड़ी जगह बाकी है for some upside on the chart. So first of all, after the market opening on Monday, okay, the first level will be 1807. So if gold continues the up move here, then 1807 will be the first level. So under normal circumstances, listen to me carefully. Under normal circumstances, 1807 is not at all an important level. But usually on Monday morning, market usually remains very slow. The liquidity is less, volatility is less. So as a result, under less volatility, there is a possibility that market will show some kind of profit booking. See, I'm not talking about trend reversal, I'm just saying that there may be some profit booking and there can be a downside of 30, 40, 50 pips. Okay, so if the volatility is less, if the movement is less during the first half of Monday, during the Asian session and the first half of the European session, but in case the volatility is more, then obviously 1807 will not be able to hold the market, and in that case the important level will be 1812 to 1815 level. This will be the first resistance for the market. Okay, so once market hits this level, you need to observe the market. There is a possibility that market will be showing some profit booking around this area, and if you see that just like the previous times, if market reverses from 1812 1815 level, we can take a sell position in the market as well. So 1817 will act as a profit booking level if there is very low volatility in the market. Otherwise, the important or the first resistance is at 1812 to 1815 level only. Okay, and on the other hand, if after the market opening, yes, listen to me carefully, if after the market opening, if market comes down, then obviously we have the trend line working as the support for the market here. But the market has already tested the level, tested the trend line too many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if market tests anything more than 3 to 4 times, the level loses its strength. So next time we must be very careful. So again, after the market opening, listen to me carefully. After the market opening, when the volatility will be less, जब ज़्यादा मार्केट में volatility नहीं होगा, then you can expect the market to bounce from the trend line around 70-90 level. Okay, it is better if you can draw a line like this. Okay, so around 70-90 level you can expect the market to bounce if the volatility is less. But in case there is a sudden volatility in the market, if you find market forming a big red candle here, in that case the trend line will not be able to hold the market, because already it has been providing support for quite some time, and right now it is losing strength day after day. Okay, so under less volatility, if you see that market is coming to the trend line with small candles, then you can expect the market to bounce. If you see market approaching the trend line with big red candles, it means that the seller's volume is high enough, and in that case market will not be able to hold it. So if 70-90 fails in the market, then the next important support will be the 1778 level. This is the first support for the market if the trend line fails. Why we are considering this support here? Because of the Fibonacci 23.6%, and the second support for the market is 1765 level. 1765 is the second support for the market because of the previous price rejection from below. When market witnessed selling, observe this area here. When market witnessed selling, 1765.66 was the level from where market reversed, from where market bounced. So it means that buyers are present around this area. So as a result, 1765 will be an important support in case market witnesses selling pressure. And ultimately, the third support is at 1759 to 1760 level. 1759, 1760 is the third support for the market because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as we have the 200 moving average. So yes, there is a good chance that market will be bouncing from these levels here. So these are the important levels where we can execute orders on the chart of gold. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management and do your own calculation. Okay. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So only trade when the opportunity is right. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday.